Good evening, I'm Ren Wadsworth, and this is your nonstop local news update. Today in Billings, the staff over at Intermountain Health St. Vincent announced an exciting partnership today with the Yellowstone International Air Show. This ahead of the big air show coming back to the county this summer for the first time in more than 2 decades. The show is happening August 12th and 13th at the Billings-Logan International Airport, and Intermountain Health says they hope to showcase some of their own traditions of providing service to the Montana community by sponsoring the event. They tell us they will be providing services in the event anyone watching needs. They will be providing services in case anyone watching needs medical services. But just by being out there, Heather Stamey, Senior Director of Emergency and Critical Care of Services, says their staff feels honored to help support veterans in the community, some of whom even work within the Intermountain Health Network. So if you'd like to celebrate our service members at that event, or just want to see the Blue Angels and some other amazing aircraft flying over the Magic City, that's all happening that second weekend in August. And I, for one, can't wait to see it. But that won't be the only thing in the sky over Billings, because this Thursday in the Magic City, local hospitals, first responders, and other organizations will participate in a full-scale emergency exercise hosted, again, by the Billings-Logan International Airport. Every 3 years, the FAA requires all airports to test how they handle an aircraft emergency. This year's medical staging area will take place in the St. Vincent's Healthcare parking lot at 27th Street and 11th Avenue North. There will be signs posted along the road to remind people that this is just a simulation. The scenario starts Thursday at 9:45 a.m. and ends at around 1:30 p.m. The city of Billings says this event will attract a lot of attention, especially with the smoke coming from a Boeing 737 simulating a fire. And finally, the Western Heritage Center here in Billings is hosting a food history lecture this week entitled Looking for Culinary Creativity in Montana's Historic Kitchens. Professor Mary Murphy will discuss Montana cookbooks and how food has helped shape Montana's history. Dr. Murphy teaches at Montana State University in Bozeman and has spent many years examining Montana food recipes from the past. The event is on Thursday from 12 to 1 p.m. at the Western Heritage Center, free of charge for anyone interested in attending. Ooh, only thing that can make that better is if there is food to go along with it. But that's all for now. We'll have more news updates for you as the night goes on, so make sure to check back in for more. I'm Ren Wadsworth. Thanks for tuning in to your nonstop local news.